Okay, here we go. I see some on your right foot. Okay, now I see the left foot a little bit as well. Okay, and what do you feel?
I feel it in this region
Okay, so
and in here.
localized
Yeah.
in the arc, but there is no sensation in your glutes, correct?
No sensation in my glutes, no.
Okay, so that's where we start. So this is what this test is telling me. The
Yeah.
connection from your feet to the glutes is not strong.
Wow.
It's not strong. But for Division One and professional athletes, very strong.
Right.
Their
Absolutely.
glutes, the glutes will turn on like that. It's rock solid. And this connection is what regular people lack, but professionals have a lot. So this is our baseline. So we're going to, so remember this today's sensation. So that by the end of the 12 sessions, you're going to feel much stronger.
Okay. Absolutely.
This is what I call functional strength versus
Hmm.
what people have is just brute strength. A lot
Right.
of people, a lot of mainstream training, they will ask you to do hip thrust and
Oh yeah, for
and
days.
hip bridge. That only trains localized muscle, but it
Right.
does not increase any fascial connection whatsoever.
Dang.
So basically, you're wasting your time and you're pouring down money down the drain for nothing because that's not your problem. Your problem is really your connection from the feet to the glutes is lacking.
Wow. I figured out through that all these years, I just didn't know how to like attack it. Like I'm not even kidding. Like for like I spend like a half hour before the sessions, before like with my trainer, and I would figure out how I can get that connection out to my glutes. Because when I took like a posture course, they said everything has to be connected to the glutes, but I wasn't taught how to. It just said that's the issue. Okay,
So they
absolutely
they they know the issue, but they don't have a solution,
correct. Exactly.
right? So I'm here to provide that solution.
Yeah, 100%, man. Thank you.
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get the marbles.
Wow.
What do you
It's like
feel?
it's like I'm doing push-ups with my whole lower system. That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm just like, wow.
So you feel much more in the glutes?
Glutes and here.
Okay.
Glutes big time on my right
Is
side.
is is it rock solid right now?
Yeah,
Very good.
rock solid. And burn.
Good. So on a degree of 1 to 10, how much burning do you feel?
8. On my right, like
Okay.
really tough burn. Like it's tough to finish these. That's how big
Okay.
the burn.
Good. Yeah. Do it not too fast. No jerky movement. Try to be as smooth as possible, like you're in water. So the stronger the connection you have, the less likely you're going to injure your ankle or your knee.
Yeah, man, this is tough, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I see your foot is also shaking a little bit.
I'm struggling, man. I'm an endurance athlete. I lift, man. I do it all, but this is something different, man. My feet turned up, like everything's fired. I've never felt like my anterior tibia is fired up.
Okay.
Like I was so dominant posterior.
And rest.
And that was fatigued real quick.
Yeah. I see a lot of weakness because the heel just the arc start to collapse and the heel start dropping. So in the ideal situation, your heel does not drop at all. That's what we want. But I understand you had an injury before, so
Mm-hmm.
we're taking it easy. We only do 30 seconds. But how do you feel so far?
Feels good. Feels excellent, man. That like fired. I felt it in my glutes too when I was jumping.
Okay. How
Like
much glutes did you feel?
6.
6. Okay, good.
Not like the marbles, but good enough when I was jumping.
Okay. So here's the thing to consider, right? If your foot is morphed into optimal hyperarch,
Uh huh.
every motion you do it's going to use your glutes.
Right.
Versus if your foot is relaxed, whatever you do, it does not use glutes.
Right.
That's the difference.